Alright guys, it's been a long time since I've done a video. It's kind of cold out here. It's a 2002 Honda Accord. We're going to be replacing the starter, which is right here. I got a new starter from eBay. I'll leave a link on the video description. And Mitchell program doesn't say a lot. It's only about 5 steps on there, so I don't want to get to a point where I have to remove this water hose or coolant hose. So I'm gonna be removing the battery, air filter box, see if I have enough space to work here, and I'll probably have to remove this little bracket here holding it. So first thing I want to do is see with the new starter, where should the bolts be. I see this one, it's right there, but I'll be back as soon as I get that out. I just removed this. I have to really loosen this bolt up, remove this from here, and loosen up the cables that hook up here. And here is the battery tray. It's a 12 millimeter. Got another one over here, and this one is a 10. And hopefully I should have enough room to pull that out. All right. Okay, so they were so nice that they included a 12 millimeter all the way down there. There it is. So you gotta get enough extensions so you can reach it. Came out. So let's remove this. Yeah, I had to use a jug like this. Get this one out. So a short 12 millimeter with the U-joint here. We'll get that screw out. All right guys, so these bolts are really tight. I ended up breaking the swivel joint I was using earlier. The only way I could get it, it's by see how I'm removing it. This is a 3/8, so you have to kind of go in with a long 14 millimeter socket, about 3-inch extension. So you go in like this. And that's the only way you're gonna get that one. And for the other one, it's pretty straightforward. It's right here. Yeah. All right, so right now still I think I gotta remove this one here with a 10 mil, and that thing should come off. All right, so the 2 bolts are off. I think it's gonna be easier if I take this out. It's not connected to anything. I already removed the 10 millimeter bolt here, so it's loose. and you just gotta find a way to pull this out. See? There you go. And it's out. All right, gotta put in the new one. All right, so the bolt on this side, you know, it's easy to put back in. The other one, you know, it's gonna be a problem. And don't get them confused, because this one, it's a little bit longer. And if you don't have magnetized sockets like me, just use a little piece of duct tape. That should hold the bolt until you get it in there and are able to get it tight. All right, guys, so it's in there. I just noticed something. The new starter doesn't have the bracket to hold up that other bracket that holds the coolant hose. This one. So I'm gonna try to remove it from this old one. See if I could put it on the new one. All right, so as you can see, I was able to remove it from the old one. On the old one, it was a 8mm bolt. This one, it's a 10. So let's continue putting this together. All right, so everything is back in there. Let's go try it. So you know that in a Honda, if you have an original radio, you're gonna need to get the code to get it back working. So let's try it. And just kidding. There it goes. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.